Hi everybody. Over the next week we're going to make some bacon. We were happy to find a pork belly at our HEB down here in Texas, and I didn't think they were going to have one. They did, and then looked up some cure recipes, which you will see over here. And it's taking the weight of the belly, taking 2.5% of that for the total cure, and then 60-30 10 of salt, sugar, and cure. So we're gonna mix that up right now. I did some displacement work, and it's about 2 cups of water in order to cover this guy completely. Just gonna mix that up real quickly. All right, and then once that's good and mixed up, then we're just going to pour it over this. It'll cover it all up, and it'll have a tendency to want to float, so then we're going to put some things on it to make it sink. And then we'll cover it up. We're going to put it in the fridge on top of another tray because apparently a bunch of liquid leaks out of the pork belly and then starts to overflow, and we don't want that. So we'll see you in about 7 days. Good morning, everybody. So, pork belly, been in the fridge for 6 days, and I'm gonna do some burnt ends, and then I'm gonna do pepper bacon and then just regular bacon, just kind of as a taste test. So I'm gonna break this up into 3s, and we're gonna smoke the bacon today, and then tomorrow we're getting together with our kids, and I'm gonna cook the burn-ins tomorrow. So I'll meet you out at the smoker. Okay, so we have the regular one right there, and then we're just gonna make some pepper bacon here. So it's just what you would think it'd be, but don't add any more salt. There's plenty of salt. And then, I think I might have said it last time, but meet you at the grill. Hello, everybody. So I got the probes in. I'm going to feed them through once we get it on the grill, or the smoker. It's at 163 at this point. Got some smoke going on, so it's going to go back and forth. You want to form them how you want them to look when you take them off, and that was a bad idea. I should have done the plain one first. Because when they firm up like this, that's going to be how they are. So try to get them to where they'll be easier to slice. The left is at the top. Alrighty, I've got it on smoke 8, and I'm going to leave them like this for probably a couple of hours. Then I'm going to put the temperature up a little bit and then let them go until they get to about 135, 140. Then the bacon will be cooked to where then you just have to slice it and eat. Thanks, see you in a bit. And when I say slice and eat, I mean slice and then I can let the Piper eat. That's the Piper. But if we're going to eat it, I'm going to go from slicing to in the frying pan and then eat. Okay, so we have 2 on there. The one on the left is at 135, and the one on the right is at 127. So I'm going to take the one on the left off. It's still hot. They say to let it cool. We want a piece of bacon. So we're going to come in, we're going to cut 2 slices off, we're going to fry that up. By that time the other one will be done. We'll do the same thing with it, and then we'll come back for the taste test. So there they are. Don't they look amazing? It's going to be a little hot. That would have been ungood. pull the pork belly off right into the floor. So that is what that is what our pork belly looks like. We're gonna go have a bite. It's been about 15 minutes. This is the pepper bacon, which oddly also looks wonderful. The thing that's nice about smoking at a low temperature like this, it's just not that hot, so you can use your hands pretty easily. All right. There's our pepper bacon. Slice into our pepper bacon. I'm going to try to cut this a little bit thinner. I like the idea of a really thick piece of bacon, and then it turned it out to basically be a bacon steak. Doesn't that just look delicious? We're gonna fry this one up. We have some of the other that's there, and then we're gonna do a little taste test.